Anthony, why don't you tell us who you're going to be speaking with?
We're now going to bring in Jeff Miller, the Business Development Manager from Sunmark Federal Credit Union. Jeff, thank you for joining me today.
Anthony, thank you for having me.
How long have you been in the mortgage business now?
Oh, geez, I started in 1996, so we're going on 18, 19 years now.
And we've been working together now for almost 5 years.
Yeah.
As a real estate agent for 12 years, there's a lot of loans that people can't do. Let's take that two-family we're working on right now. The buyer was declined a mortgage. Tell the viewers why you're able to get that buyer financing.
Sure. You know, Sunmark prides itself first and foremost on our service. We're always going to be very attentive to any situation. But Sunmark can get very creative because of our retail banking options as well. We can refinance existing debt if we need to lower the debt-to-income ratio and get people approved when other lenders can't.
This house did not appraise, and you were able to come up with a creative solution that allowed 4 other transactions to proceed.
Yeah.
So I, as a realtor, think that's excellent, that a lot of banks can't do that.
Yeah, we got creative on that one.
Tell us about interest rates right now. People are always asking, where are rates? If somebody's buying a $350,000 house here in the capital region, what can they expect? What will they need to come up with? What will the interest rate be?
Sure. You know, Anthony, that's a great question because rates went up about 6 months ago and it was all over the news, but it hasn't been on the news that they've come back down. We're in the low 4% for a fixed 30-year loan right now in that price range, $300,000.
That's a great rate.
Oh, it's a great rate. And we have some great special options right now too. We have a 7-year ARM that's at 2.875. and a 15-year term can be below 4%. So rates are very competitive right now.
That's great. And your office is located here in Latham. You can have people come in and sign up.
Absolutely.
Tell us about home equity lines of credits. When people move in, are they able to take out lines of credit on their property?
Yes, they can. Yeah, we can give a home equity line of credit up to 100% of the value of the property.
Really?
So yeah, again, that's another thing that Sunmark does where other lenders can't.
And if somebody was to, we'll just say we're in August now, if somebody was to apply for a loan August 1st, I have seen you guys do some amazing things. Are we talking about less than 30 days to close on some properties?
Sure, absolutely, yeah. One of the very unique things about Sunmark is everything is self-contained. Our loan officers, our processors, underwriters, and even our closings can happen right in our Latham office. It's a very streamlined process, and we can definitely close a loan very quickly.
And you, like myself, take great pride in answering your phone at all hours of the day, which is nice. And just tell the viewers watching, where can they reach you on your cell phone?
Sure, you can call me anytime, 24 hours a day, 518-588-3025.
And I can attest that for working with Jeff Miller and Sunmark, they've been absolutely fantastic. They've received the highest praises from a lot of clients who have used them. Sunmark is different from a traditional bank, say, and I work with a lot of banks, obviously, but why would you go to a credit union versus a bank? Some people don't know the difference.
Sure. A credit union has a lot of advantages. It's a membership concept. You have to become a member of our credit union, and all you have to do is open an account. So there's you don't have to work for special companies anymore. You just have to open up an account and you're a member of the credit union. Our interest rates are much lower than traditional banks. PMI insurance, for one, we have no PMI insurance options, but if someone does go with a PMI insurance loan, credit unions' rates are lower than regular traditional banks. So there's lots of options.
First-time home buyers, how much would they need to put down right now if they were buying a $200,000 house?
We have a couple different options. We can do an FHA loan where they only have to put down 3.5%. We have USDA and VA loans that are no money down options right now. And Sunmark has an 80-20 option. It's 100% financing. It can be for first-time home buyers or people downsizing or buying bigger homes where you can go 100% financing.
That's great. Okay. And basically for the last, you've been a mortgage broker, you said, for a long time. Is there any time where you can't do a loan? You
know, there's certainly some credit issues that we like to work our way through. So that's really the only time that we can't do a mortgage. But at Sunmark, we look at the entire situation. We'll help somebody rebuild their credit. We'll look at their income, and we'll work with people to get them approved.
Jeff Miller, Sunmark Federal Credit Union here in Latham. His cell phone is 588-3025. Jeff, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you
for all the great work you do.
Appreciate your time.